Hello students, as you all know, my name is Arvind Rai from LPM Public School, which is situated in Gola Bazar, Gorakhpur, and I am a subject teacher of Social Studies. And this video is going to help for the students of class 5th. Okay, students, in our revisional videos and online classes, we had completed our first chapter, that is locating places on a globe. Okay, your first chapter is locating places on a globe. Locating places on a globe. Okay, this is your first chapter. We had covered almost every topic. Okay, only last topic is left, that is global grid and the summing of this chapter. The points we had completed in this chapter is what is the imaginary lines on a globe and what are the different lines, okay, which comes under the names, that is lines of latitude and longitude. These are the two main names. Okay, under that line we have several more lines to read about, and we have completed all these points. Now, after the lines of longitude, okay, the lines of latitude, we had also completed what are the features of latitude and longitude, and what are the different degrees of that particular lines, okay, that are lying on that under that heading. Okay. After that, we have completed lines of longitude as well as important lines of latitude. In that heading, we have completed what is the local time of Greenwich Mean Time, that is GMT. Okay, this is the point GMT. On this basis, okay, every time schedule of the total worlds is set up by this GMT. Now, after that, we had also read the international date line, that is IDL. IDL. This is an important longitude line. Okay, we can say it also meridian line. Now, the global grid. This point we are going to cover in this video. After that, we are going to complete the summary of this chapter. Global grid. Okay, what is global grid? The network formed by the intersecting lines of latitude and longitude is called the global grid. Okay, for example, this you can assume as the globe. As you all know, the upper side is north, bottom side is south, in right side it is east, and in the left side it's west. Okay, so we are going to make some lines of latitude as well as some lines of longitude. Okay, so this type of grid, or we can say network, is being formed after the intersection of lines of longitude and lines of latitude. Suppose we are taking any one point. Suppose we are taking this point. Okay. So there, if any place lies here, then we are going to write the degree of that place. Okay. In not in any of these directions that place lies. Suppose According to a book, the global grid is used to give the exact location of a place. This is done by finding out the value of the latitude and longitude that intersect at the point where the place is located. For example, New Delhi is located at the intersection of latitude 28.6 degree north and longitude 77.2 degree east. Suppose we are writing the location of New Delhi, then first we are going to write the point of latitude. After that, we are going to write the point of longitude. Okay? So the point of latitude is 28.6 degree north. Okay? 28.6 degree north and longitude is 77.2 degree east. Okay, 77.2 degree east. So what we call this book, we can say this is coordinates. This we can say when we are considering this book point, we can say this coordinates. Okay, and this is the exact location of New Delhi. This is the exact location of New Delhi, and these both points we will say coordinates. Okay. After that, turn on the page. On page number 6, we are having our summary of this chapter. Okay. I hope that you understood all these points regarding global grid, and I hope you will write these points. You will mention these points in your rough copy as well, and you will complete your pair work as well, which are being provided by the school. Okay. Now students, look in your book on page number 6. It is given the summing up, or we can say the summary of this chapter. First point is, lines of latitude and longitude are imaginary lines used to locate places on the surface of the earth. Just prior to this, we had discussed about the global grid. In global grid, we had read exactly this point only, that lines of latitude and longitude are imaginary lines. Okay, imaginary lines means lines which are not actually on the earth's surface. We just assume in our mind that these lines are being drawn on the globe and we are able to find the exact location of a particular place. Okay, now just now we had discussed that lines of latitude and lines of longitude, where they intersect each other, they form a network, or we can say it global grid, and from that point we are able to locate a place exactly. Okay. Now second point is, lines of latitude are imaginary lines drawn on the globe that run parallel to the equator. Now suppose this is a globe. Okay, north, south, east and west. This line is called the equator line. Okay, and this is the Tropic of Cancer, Arctic Circle, Tropic of Capricorn, Antarctic Circle. Okay, every lines are parallel to each other. Okay, this equator line is, we can also say, 0 degree latitude. Okay, we can say 0 degree latitude for the degree of the line of equator, and these lines are parallel to each other because they are at same distance from each other. That is why we say them parallel to each other. Now next point is, they mark the distance of a place north or south to the equator. When we are talking about lines, any line we can take, either it is equator either it is Tropic of Cancer, either it is Tropic of Capricorn or Arctic Circle or Antarctic Circle. Each lines, okay, they tell us the distance from north to south. Okay, at what distance they lie from north or south. Now next point is some of the important parallels are the equator. Okay, some important parallels are this is equator. Okay, this one is Tropic of Cancer. This line is Arctic Circle. Arctic Circle. This line just opposite to the place of Tropic of Cancer, it is Tropic of Capricorn. Tropic of Capricorn, and this line is Antarctic Circle. Antarctic Circle. Okay, got it? So these are the important parallel lines. Okay, we had completed in our chapter. After that, lines of longitudes are imaginary lines that run from the north pole to the south pole. They are also called meridians. When we are talking about meridians or lines of longitude, okay, hope you all have written these points. I should rub this, okay, I should rub this. And again we are darkening the boundaries of the globe. We are assuming this is a globe. Okay, these lines which comes from north to south, these lines are called meridians or lines of longitude. Okay, these lines are also called meridians, and this line is 0-degree meridian. This line, okay, this line is 0-degree meridian, and this line is also called prime meridian. Prime meridian. Okay, these lines are not parallel to each other. Okay, these lines are not parallel to each other, and some important lines of longitude are prime meridian, okay, international date line which lies here. So these are some important lines of longitude. The 0-degree longitude is also known as the prime meridian. Meridians mark the distance of a place east or west of the prime meridian. The lines which we are talking, that is meridians, they mark the place, okay, from the distance of east or west direction. Okay, and this longitude line, that is prime meridian, it also divides the globe in two equal halves, that is eastern hemisphere, and this part is western hemisphere. Okay, got it? Now next point is meridians mark the distance of a place east or west of the prime meridian. This I have taught you. Now the lines of latitude and longitude cross each other to form the global grid. This point we addressed just before to this, that how we are locating places on a globe with the help of global grid. The global grid is used to find the exact location of a place. Hope you got each and every point exactly how I wanted to tell you. Now you are supposed to mention each and every points in your rough copy, as well as you are going to complete your fair work which is being provided by the school. Okay, Now we'll meet in our next video and next session of online class. Till then, bye bye.